Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to install your WordPress website in hosting a domain. So if it's the first time visiting our channel, do not forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell so that you won't be missing out videos like this. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your hosting account. Once you get there, if you already purchased a domain name, you simply click on what domain names. Okay, since it's a brand new domain, you simply click on what add website. So from there we are going to choose WordPress. Okay guys, once you're here, you simply need to insert your administration email address and password. Okay, once you're done with that, you simply click on what next. So you simply need to choose your website building type. So you can see online store, blog, portfolio, business services, affiliate marketing site and others. So let's say an online store, or you can simply create a blank site. So we are going to click on it. From there now you simply need to choose your domain name. So this is a new domain, so you simply click on what's next. So you can see your WordPress is being installed. So you simply need to wait because it's going to take a couple of minutes. Okay guys, we just successfully created our WordPress website in our hosting account. So we are going to click on what's admin. So it's going to take us to our WordPress dashboard. So guys, this is actually our WordPress dashboard. So this is our WordPress site. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.